Lord!
What?
What?
Lamarr Wilson.
How you doing? Good to see Lamarr Wilson here, back for another video, and I'm back, guys. Like James Brown. I'm back. You saw the thumbnail. It's a mystery unboxing, and I have some guests, some Nintendo related guests. Maybe a captain or marshal or admiral or what? But wow! Oh my God! It's CND. What's up, Al? Oh my God! And it's his cameraman. Okay, so
What is it?
It's Jordan Fringe. Jordan Fringe. Subscribe to Jordan. Yes, he's a really good camera guy and editor and overall nice guy. How'd you get my knife? So on this video back, I wanted to do a mystery unboxing, and then this guy showed up, and I was like, I actually don't know what it is, but I think it might be related to him. So I was like, why not have the captain of the Nintendos here? Oh, yeah. So we're just gonna do it. Let's do it. So he hasn't seen this. I haven't seen this. Okay.
Stop.
Wait, I'm not looking.
Close my eyes. I'm not
looking.
Not even look.
I'm not looking.
Okay.
Oh, Lord!
What?
What? This is perfect for you.
Stop. Get in there. That is beautiful.
What? Sample? I ain't sending this back.
That's a good free sample.
Oh, dude.
You ever
Okay.
go to Costco and get one of those?
Can I see that?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I'm just gonna slowly walk out.
What? Oh.
Chill.
Oh, whoa. This is like reverse.
Lamarr Wilson.
I know this is from First Four Figures. Now, I got a link from them. Got a Crash Bandicoot that the legs broke. I saw that on Instagram. The mover is kind of a little upset about that one. This is crazy.
Shiny.
Dude, okay, so look.
It has to be a bear.
Dude, Lucky Cat Mario. I want to make sure you all see that. Super Mario 3D World. Dude, looks so beautiful. This production is just 125 units.
And you got the sample?
You know what? This honor is yours. You are the captain.
Yeah.
You unbox it, my brother. Whoa. He's the captain.
Oh.
Don't you ever do that.
Oh, there's a little note. Okay, chill.
Okay. Well, I just saw Majora's Mask and I got excited.
Yeah, definitely not Cat
Authenticate your statue. Oh, you got the first four figures. And
authenticated?
Yes. I'm authenticated.
Virtual authentication?
You're authenticating?
I am.
Here we go.
I can't.
Oh, the detail.
Okay, we do need the knife now.
Yeah, we have to use the knife now.
Okay.
Check out the detail in the styrofoam.
Oh yeah, I didn't even notice that.
What? Can they see that?
Can they kind of?
It's kind of blown out.
It's a little blown out, but I see it a little bit. Just imagine it. What's that? There's something on the other side. He said.
It's just the logo.
Oh. Credit card?
What do we just find? Tape to the bottom.
That's my authentication card. I hope this.
Oh.
Okay.
Da 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 da.
Holy crap.
Stop. I thought it was actually gonna look kind of cheesy, but that's like,
dude. Okay, you unwrap
colors.
that one. I unwrap this one.
All right, sounds
and you
good
sit back
to me.
and look pretty.
Well, it's hard for me to do that.
oh
Okay.
wow, they got weight to that.
Get out of here. All right.
Whoa.
Oh my God. I'm so clumsy. Is you okay?
But you can hear how heavy it is, right?
This is really heavy.
That is a big boy right there.
It's produced under license from Nintendo.
Yeah, this is official. Yeah, obviously, like, it looked like Mar just came up and punched it, and then it came out.
And this is the power up, and he gets this.
And he turns into a cat.
And he
Mario.
plays to the ball like this.
No, it just kind of bloop into him.
Oh.
You know what I mean?
Okay. And then he turns into this.
Yeah, and then he does.
And then he does this.
Yeah.
Okay. Do a nice little close up for you all there. Oh, look, this camera is on point, by the way. Let me just say.
It's
New
working.
camera.
Yeah,
Yeah. 4K. Is you okay? Okay. Okay, let's get some. Oh, you know what? That has to go back there.
Ooh.
Oh no, that has to go downstairs. Only thing it has to go with the amiibo down there. Yeah, I think everybody needs to see this. Like all my women who come through.
Wait,
Many a woman.
Well, there's people who clean.
Wow.
It's so sad. You know what this reminds me of?
What?
Like an ornament that you put on a Christmas tree, doesn't it?
What's Christmas?
Is this why you've been gone for a month?
I was trying to find the magic of Christmas and I got lost.
I feel like you have the gold over there and you won first place, and I'm the kid who won bronze, and like his dad says it's okay, but really he's disappointed in you.
Yeah. Get a nice little
Get
close
the
up.
real close up.
Guys,
on
like
that.
seriously, this is heavy.
It does. That's like
It does.
a pound.
It does.
It
I
does.
said it's
It
heavy,
did.
and you like it does.
It does.
This is beautiful. Guys, comment down below if this is the most beautiful thing you've seen besides him. What? I was kidding.
See, you know what? I think that this right here, since it said there's only 100 some of these,
Yeah.
I think this is the variant one. I think there's probably a regular yellow one that's not shiny like this,
yeah.
and this is like the special.
No. Those are going to sell out. Like if I put that link below, I know you are going to go buy
Hey,
that.
I'm about to buy one right now.
Yeah,
I'm
before
gonna
the
just
video
take
comes
this
out.
one.
Yeah, before.
Why we got to go for this again? I mean, he looks like the cat's meow. Wait, I'm rusty. It's only
Now he's
it's
leaving
been-
on his own
it's
terms.
been 30 days.
I think
Any
it's shiny.
catnip? Okay, I'm
Just sat back down.
got milk. Sorry.
You get fingerprints all over.
I know. I need to. I can't stop rubbing him. Like he's a cat. You just wanna. I have this thing where I taste.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I was gonna say a joke that wasn't ready for your channel.
How's it taste?
I taste his boogers actually, cause I licked the bottom. Tastes like Fancy Feast.
You know what Fancy Feast tastes like?
It was a hard childhood. Okay, do
Whoa.
I have to explain to you? I didn't have Christmas. Okay, we just had cat food.
You don't have to explain anything to me. I know what Fancy Feast tastes like too. I don't know what Christmas is either.
Such a beautiful moment. I'm your dad.
Dad!
Son!
I'll have all your stuff. I get to have all your stuff. He stole your stuff.
What a way to come back. You know, got these awesome things. You got the captain here.
Not for long.
Got Jordan Fringe here.
I love Sonic.
Editor extraordinary. What?
Well,
Did you say Sonic?
yes, the blue. It's just a gold.
Gotta go fast.
Yeah, you gotta go. Yeah.
Can you hand me the knife? So this is a little bonus. I did a video of this 30-second video on Instagram
Okay.
of this Pokemon bank. Really cute. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hold it right here.
Okay.
Oh, we have. Oh, thank you for the dime. Here, will you take this dime?
All right, we'll
Because you're a
take
dime.
And do what with
and,
it?
and just put it right on top there.
What?
He took the money.
And I'm a penny.
Oh.
That's so creepy.
Pikachu.
Oh. Take it off. Take it off.
All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Listen, this is the captain. You have to go support the. I've been wanting to do a video with him forever.
But stop and want to do a video with you. Shut up.
CND. So we also did a video on his channel that's out right now. So as soon as you watch this one, I'll have the link below.
Hey.
Watch it, or something will pop up at some point, and watch that video. You actually get something that you've never had on my channel, and that is a tour of this place.
It's crazy.
Yes, he gets
actually crazy.
he got exclusive access, and he filmed
Somehow.
Okay, so actually, no, seriously, Jordan, he's one of the best editors in the world. One of the best guys in the world. Make sure you subscribe to Jordan Fringe as well. No problem.
Yeah. PayPal?
PayPal.
Okay, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Actually, do you do Apple Pay?
I do.
Okay, excellent.
It's like our phones.
Yes, that's
Yes.
our. Okay, excellent.
Sorry, I had to do that. It's been killing me. I've been wanting to do that since the start of this whole thing.
And I will see you in the next video. Bye!